Hello everyone, today I'll show you a useful setting that concerns your privacy when searching for information in the browser. You may have noticed that when you're searching for something on or just scrolling through a page in the browser, various messages and tabs pop up. These could be ads or basically anything. Sokuf ehem posadaham povra ongoven securitaha strings castrisadahem prone disnastat zerverzugs kun dash kun. Vejigat with the started things and go to privacy protection scroll out of and it says here that the Android system has several high-risk permissions. For example, permission to send them push notifications. Push notifications are precisely those so-called pop-up windows that appear on top of other windows. This is actually not very good because you can accidentally redirect to an unknown website that will download all your data from your phone or yikdosha. That's why it's considered a high-risk permission. Now I'll show you one of the settings you need to adjust to prevent websites from collecting information from the koden tracing you view. Basically, here's what you need to do. Find Google Chrome, click on it, click on the three dots in the top right corner and click on Settings. Scroll down and look for Website Settings. Here, you need to find a setting called Third-Party Cookies. Click on it. They'll most likely be enabled, well, unless you've set anything yourself. If we click on the arrow on the right, we'll see that the websites can use third-party cookies to personalize content and advertising as well as learn about activities on other websites. Basically, all you have to do is visit one website and it will start counting your data from your phone, and it will also learn what you do on other websites. Basically, it's a pretty darn setting. I certainly recommend disabling this annoying setting, which doesn't help you at all. It's just a waste of battery life and a constant surveillance on your internet browsing habits. So take a look. Even if you click block third-party cookies, it still says that linked websites will still be able to use third-party cookies. So be sure to click the arrow on the WhatsApp. You'll also see in the list that you allow cookies to share information, but it's not you who's sharing it. It's the website that's sharing it, which has already downloaded some of your information. So toggle this switch off and you'll feel better. You've now increased your personal security, privacy, made your internet browsing safer, and even improved your phone's battery life by removing unnecessary features that are essentially only useful to developers in there. They don't help you in any way.